Hello and Happy New Year! This is going to be a quick video about my Kali Zoka helmet. You might have seen a video or two about the Kali helmets that we have in stock. I personally was in a dire need to get a helmet, so I went with the Zoka version. I've been using it for some time now on my daily commute to work and also doing some chores in town, and I'm well impressed. For £90, I'm not sure you can find a better deal than this, especially when you consider the lifetime crash replacement. If you wonder what that means, basically if you have a crash in the next 3 or 4 years after you bought a helmet and you damage it, then Kali will give you a new replacement, like a brand new helmet, for no additional cost. Essentially, you pay for one helmet, but you get two, which is crazy. Also, if you decide to check the prices on the website, I need to clarify something. You will see two prices, $89.99 and $107.99. The helmet actually costs $89.99, so because you don't need to pay VAT for it. Unfortunately, we can't seem to change the prices, so it shows only the $89.99. But I just wanted to clarify this because I'm referring to the helmet as a 90 quid, and if you go on the website and you see that it's 100 plus, so there is no confusion. It is the 90 quid Kali Zoka helmet. Alright, so back to the helmet. I went for the matte white, blue navy version because the blue helmet brings out the blue in my eyes, but I also like the cleanliness of the white color. Sadly, it does get dirty quite easily, which I'm fine with that, but it does look better when it's like brand new and shiny. Not so long ago, one gentleman came to Speedy Feet looking for a helmet, and that chap saw the helmet that I had, and he recognized that that's an amazingly great choice, so he decided to follow in my footsteps and purchase the same exact model for himself. And he even made a video talking about this helmet, and you can check out his video up there. So back to my review. The helmet is quite lightweight, coming in around 980 grams, which as a daily commuter is a godsend. Previously, I was using an old motocross helmet, which weighed around 1500 grams, so that's 50% more heavier than this one. And I can tell that it was not fun to carry around or just to wear it. After a while, you just feel the heaviness. It also had poor ventilation and also slightly limited viewing angles compared to the Zoka helmet. Because of all these inconveniences, I decided to risk it and commute without a helmet, subsequently reducing my speed, so if I ever have a fall, I wouldn't injure myself, which I will admit wasn't my best idea. But when I got the Zoka helmet, that was a game changer. It was much more convenient to use and to carry, so that's why I actually started using it daily. I could see more while riding, and also it felt much lighter both when I was using it and when I was carrying it. Now I use it all the time, and that gives me the confidence to go a bit faster on the wheel, which gets me to places quicker. The helmet has really good ventilation, and despite being winter here in the UK, when you're riding against the wind, it doesn't feel cold at all, because some helmets have really open designs and you can have problems with colder weather or rain, but with this one you have big vents, but each hole is covered with a mesh. I really like the approach that Kali has taken, which is quite balanced in my opinion. I thought that in winter time I'll be a bit cold with this helmet, but quite the contrary, I'm really pleasantly surprised. It feels almost like I'm wearing a hat, so I don't have any problems with the cold, which is really good because it can get really chilly here. I've been riding in the rain with the Zoka helmet and I haven't had any issues. It wasn't quite a torrential rain, but still I was dry, which was really good. I do need to test the helmet when it's summertime and it's much warmer outside, so you actually, when you're moving out and about and you get all warmed up and sweaty, and see how it handles that kind of an environment, which I immediately am thinking about the off-road group rides that we did in Bristol with people from all around England, which was that was a very warm weather, and just going like up and down on the mountain bike trails, that was a great test just to see if you can actually stay cool, because it was very warm when we went for a ride. Another thing that I love as a daily commuter is the simple strap. Often when I quickly want to get rid of the helmet and free up my hands, I can easily attach it to my backpack and not worry where to put it. With my old helmet it was more difficult to do that. Another cool thing is that the padding is actually removable and washable, so every now and again you can take it out and wash it, and when you put it back in, the helmet will feel and smell like fresh. This feature comes in handy especially if you live in a hotter climate and you sweat a lot. To sum up, I'm really happy with the ZOC helmet. I like the design, it has good viewing angles and ventilation. I love the strap, I appreciate the removable liner, but most importantly it's very lightweight, so it's actually convenient for me to use it on my daily commute, and that's why I've been wearing it since I bought it. And to top it all off, you have the free crash replacement. For $89.99 this is a real bargain, because you pretty much get 2 helmets for the price of one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will make a follow-up video in the next few months when it's summertime, so just to let you know how it's performing in a hot weather. But so far I'm really happy with my purchase. If you're interested in electric unicycles and everything that's linked with that, then consider subscribing and clicking on the bell notification, and check out our social media channels for behind the scenes content. Also, if you're an EV fan, check out electricpeople.org, which is an online community for electric enthusiasts, no matter if it's EUCs, electric cars or solar panels. If you wonder why I'm wearing this hat, well, this is my party hat, because I'm back to work, back to making YouTube videos.